everyone, welcome to SAAAC Studio, where we're here to have fun, get creative, and discover your abilities. Today we're going to focus on developing mental abilities through dance. I have a special friend here with me today who will help us practice the moves together. So to start, I will teach you the first move and you will follow when it's your turn. Right, so to start, our hands are going to be on our hips and we're going to point with our leg 3 points. 1, 2, and 3. Bring it back to the middle. Then 1, 2, 3, and middle. Let's try that one more time, okay? 1, 2, 3, middle. 1, 2, 3, middle. Amazing, good job. Now we're going to point. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and clap. 1, 2, 3, and clap. 2 more times, okay? 1, 2, 3, and clap. 1, 2, 3, and clap. Amazing. Now, Vidisha, let's put it together. Ready? We're going to point with our legs and with our fingers. Ready? Hands on our hip.
Yep.
And we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, clap. One more time. 1, 2, 3, clap. Let's use the other hand. 1, 2, 3, clap. 1, 2, 3, clap. 2 more times. Ready? 1, 2, 3, clap. 1, 2, 3, clap. Awesome job. Let's add one more step in there. Just to make it a little bit more difficult, we're going to slide and then clap. Okay? Let's slide this way. Slide, clap, slide, clap. Again, slide, clap, slide. Awesome. Let's piece everything together. Are you ready? One, 2, 3, clap. 1, 2, 3, clap. 1, 2, 3, clap. 1, 2, and slide. Ready? Slide, clap, slide, clap, slide, clap, slide, clap. Amazing. Good job, Vidisha. And good job to everyone. Vidisha, can you show me what you learned today?
Point.
Yep. And with our moves, ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Slide. Sliding. Slide. Clap. Slide. Clap. Slide. Clap. Slide. Clap. Amazing. Good job. If learning all these moves together is challenging, you can practice one step at a time to make it easier to remember.
The cognitive skills are mental abilities such as memory, attention, focus, taking turns, and following instructions that individuals learn and develop during the dance routine are significant life skills to be successful at school, work, and other aspects of their lives. In the next video, we will focus on the social and emotional benefits of dance.
Like,
Comment,
subscribe
subscribe to our channel.
to our channel.
Thank you.
Thank you.